What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a more laid back type of video where I'm going to be drawing Huey from the Boondocks, one of my favorite cartoon shows. But instead of doing a traditional drawing, I'm going to be doing him in the glitch effect using everybody's favorite Posca Markers. I was meaning to put this video up in the summer of last year, but some other projects kind of got in the way, and hey, better late than never. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it and I'll see you at the end.
I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that lights the dark so that you can know your left from your right.
Still trying to get used to these Posca pens, but here we are with the glitch effect. Adding those dots in his hair definitely gives it a different effect than what I've seen online, but you guys let me know if it works or if it doesn't. Next thing I would love to do is try the drip effects. So if you want to see that video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe before you go. And if you want to see some more cool art videos, I recommend checking out this one. See you next week.